Peppa, George, Mummy and Daddy are having breakfast. It is a lovely sunny day and Peppa and George can't wait to go into the garden to play.
Mummy, please can we go out to play?
You can go out to play when you finish your breakfast.
George, don't drink your juice too quickly.
George drank his juice too quickly and now he has hiccups.
Can we go out to play now, Mummy?
Not while George has hiccups.
But George's hiccups have gone, Mummy. Haven't they, George?
Oh, all right, you can go out and play. But look after George.
Peppa and George love playing in the garden.
George, I'm going to throw the ball and then you have to catch it. George, please stop hiccuping. George! Now you throw the ball to me and I have to catch it. George!
Oh dear, George's hiccups are spoiling the game.
George, I know how to cure hiccups. You have to do what I say. Rub the top of your head and rub your tummy. Good. Now your hiccups have gone.
Peppa's cure for hiccups doesn't seem to have worked.
George, you have done it all wrong. I know a better way to cure hiccups. First, jump up and down 3 times on one leg. Now, wave your arms up and down and stick your tongue out. And now, close your eyes and turn around quickly 3 times.
Peppa's new cure hasn't worked either. George still has hiccups.
I know. To cure hiccups, the ill piggy must be given a shock. George, I'm going to scare you, but you must remember, it's only a game and it'll stop your hiccups. Remember, this is just pretend scaring.
Peppa, you mustn't play so roughly with George. He's only little.
Sorry, Mummy. I was just trying to stop George's hiccups.
George's hiccups have gone. Here comes Daddy Pig with 2 beakers of juice.
George, if you drink too quickly, you will get hiccups again.
I'm not as little as George. I can drink juice as quickly as I want to.
Today, Peppa's playgroup are at the Toothpaste Factory.
And that's how toothpaste is made. Understood?
Not really.
Oh, well, it's more important to know how to brush your teeth. This way.
The Toothpaste Factory has fun games to teach everyone about brushing their teeth.
Move the toothpaste, then push the button to squeeze out just the right amount. And how much is the right amount?
Just a small splodge.
Great! Great! Off you pop then.
A sensational splotch of toothpaste. Good job.
Peppa is very good at this game, but George is a bit confused.
Not like that, George. I'll help you. It goes on the toy toothbrush, not in your mouth.
Great job, everyone. This way. Next, we brush the teeth to make them nice and shiny. Look out, sneaky bits of food. Shucka, shucka, shucka. Gotcha. All right, off you go.
Give those teeth a brilliant brush.
Peppa is good at this game too, but George is confused again.
No, George. You have to brush the big teeth, not your teeth, like this.
Well done. Those are some perfectly pearly whites.
Just one more step to go. We need to rinse the toothbrush with water, like this. Pew, pew, pew. Ready, steady, pew.
Everyone really likes this game, but George is trying to spray himself.
Point it this way, George, at the toothbrush. What's wrong, George? Oh, you want to brush your teeth.
George wasn't confused after all. He just wanted to brush his teeth.
It's okay, George. We'll get goodie bags of toothbrushes and toothpaste and all sorts soon, won't we, Miss Rabbit?
Oh, yes, goodie bags, of course. Good. Give me a second. Talk amongst yourself. And here.
Thank you. Thanks, Miss Rabbit. Remember, George, just a little splodge, then you brush and rinse.
George loves brushing his teeth. Everyone loves brushing their teeth.
Miss Rabbit, wait! We have more letters.
Today, Peppa and George are playing Posties. They have some very special letters to send.
Hello. Are those for me to deliver?
Yes, please. They're special letters for Mummy and Daddy Pig.
Peppa and George have even made their very own stamps.
Wow. You're just in time for today's collection. Go ahead and pop them in the postbox.
Hooray!
And now I can take them to be delivered with everyone else's letters. Ooh. This is quite a lot to deliver on my own. Do you two want to help me?
Can we?
I don't see why not.
You are dressed the part.
Hooray!
Peppa and George are excited to be real postal workers, just like Miss Rabbit.
Now we have to go to the sorting office. This is where we sort every bit of post so we know where to take it.
Wow! There's so much post.
Yep, that's why we have clever machines like this to help us. Ah, those are special stamps that Peppa and George made for their special letters, Mr. Zebra. They need super-duper fast delivery. This is a delivery emergency, folks. Code P.
Everyone is getting Peppa and George's letters ready to be delivered as quickly as possible.
Come on, we've got a few stops to make first.
Yay, let's go!
Peppa and George have lots of fun delivering post with Miss Rabbit. Some of the letterboxes are quite high up, and some are funny shapes.
Yay!
But every letter gets where it needs to be. Until there are only 2 left.
Ding dong!
That's the post. I'll get it. Oh,
Gosh, these posties look familiar. It's Peppa and George.
They've been helping me deliver lots of post all day.
We bought special letters with very special stamps.
Wow.
These are special.
Peppa and George love being posties, and Mummy and Daddy Pig love their special letters and stamps. Today, Peppa and her friends are having lots of fun at the Soft Play Centre.
George!
Are you okay?
Have you hurt yourself?
Oh, come here. I think all the noise and busyness is a bit much for George. Let's find a nice, quiet place to calm down.
Oh, I know where to go.
Everyone has come to a special calm room to help George feel better.
All the colours and soft, fluffy things always help me when things get big and loud.
Lovely. Now, let's all try to take some deep breaths together. In. Out. Now, let your mind relax.
Susie Sheep and Daddy Pig are feeling very relaxed, but George isn't very calm.
Oh! Look at this.
Do you want to go and see George?
Whoa! Oh, are we going somewhere?
This area of the calm room has lots of special toys.
Look at this. On this. Squish.
Whee! Look at this, George.
Wow!
I like my cosy blanket best. No. I don't think this is right for George either. I know. Follow me.
Peppa has seen another part of the calm room that George might like.
Ooh.
This is the nature area. It's like being outside, inside.
The flowers smell lovely. Can you hear the birds?
And the crunchy leaves.
I feel super, very extra relaxed.
Shall we try some calming breaths again? And in...
I can do it, Daddy. Everybody breathe in and out. And in and out. Do you feel calmer now, George?
It's good to take a calm moment when things get too much.
I think George likes it here. Can we stay a bit longer?
Of course.
There's something for everyone in the calm room. George loves the nature area and his family and friends for helping him feel more calm.
Mummy, I really need a wee. Mummy, I'm bursting.
Aha! Don't worry, Peppa. There's a toilet right here.
Today, Peppa really needs the toilet, and this is a very fancy toilet.
Where is the toilet?
Oh, Peppa, it's, I don't know where it is.
It's here!
Do you need the toilet, George?
No. All done. Now to wash our hands. Nice and clean.
Now, where is the flush button?
I think this one looks quite flushy.
Peppa has turned on the hand dryer by mistake.
Whoops! Maybe it's this one. Oh. Or maybe it's this one. Pop, pop, pop. Pop.
Mummy, can we go to the toilet, please?
There's only one button left that hasn't been pushed.
The flush must be this one. Phew, all done.
Now, George, you definitely don't need the toilet before we go.
No.
Lovely. Come on, then.
But, Mummy, it's very messy in here.
Don't worry, this is a very fancy toilet. So all we need to do is step outside. And as if by magic, ta-da! Ooh!
The very fancy toilet cleans itself.
This toilet is amazing.
Peppa and her family are heading home. But George is getting very wriggly.
What's the matter, George? Do you need the toilet?
But we've just been to the toilet. All right, back we go.
Oh. I hope you can hold it, George.
George is desperate to use the very fancy toilet. Everyone is desperate to use the very fancy toilet. Today, Peppa and her classmates are visiting a chocolate factory.
Can I try some chocolate, please, Miss Rabbit?
You can, Peppa.
Yay!
But we've got to make it first.
Oh.
Peppa is very excited to make chocolate.
How do we make it, Miss Rabbit?
With this machine.
Hello, machine. Can you make me some chocolate, please? Thank you, machine. Yay! Now can I try some of it, please?
Not yet, Peppa. We need to decorate it first. Follow me.
Hooray!
Everyone is very excited to decorate the chocolate too.
You can decorate one chocolate bar each.
Ooh, it looks like a muddy puddle.
Yes, but don't jump in it, Peppa.
And you can add whatever decorations you like from the table as long as it's yummy.
Mine is a carroty chocolate bar. Squeak!
Delicious!
Mine is a cheesy chocolate bar. Squeak!
Yum, yum.
And mine is a spaghetti chocolate bar.
Oh.
Because strawberry laces look like spaghetti.
Phew. Scrumptious.
Can I try some chocolate now, please, Miss Rabbit?
Almost, Peppa. The chocolate needs to cool in the fridge first.
The fridge is very cold and makes the liquid chocolate harden into bars.
And done.
Can we please try some chocolate now, Miss Rabbit?
Not yet, Pep. Oh, wait. Yes, you can.
Delicious! Scrum diddly options!
Is something wrong, Peppa?
No, I just really liked it when the chocolate was all runny like a muddy puddle.
Ho, ho. Then it's lucky I have one more treat for you all. It's...
A chocolate fountain! It's just like a giant chocolate muddy puddle.
And lots of nice healthy fruit to dip too.
Thank you, Miss Rabbit.
Peppa loves muddy puddles, especially when they're made out of chocolate. Today, Peppa and her family are watching a big adventure movie at the cinema.
Daddy, I need the toilet.
Come on then.
Sorry. Excuse me.
Everything all right in there, Peppa?
Yes, I'm all done. Ta-da!
Great. Let's get back to the movie.
Oh dear, there are lots of colourful doors at the cinema. And Peppa and Daddy Pig can't remember which one they came out of.
I think it was the blue door, Daddy.
Behind the blue door, there is a mermaid movie. Susie Sheep is watching it with her mum.
Hi, Peppa. Hi, Susie. Ooh, I love mermaids. Can we watch this movie, Daddy?
Maybe another time.
Look, a pink door.
Let's try that one. I can't see Mummy Pig or George.
Behind the pink door, Mr. Bull and Mrs. Cow are watching a romantic movie. She loved him all along.
Huh?
No.
Definitely wasn't this one.
Let's try the yellow door.
The yellow door leads to the projection room, where Miss Rabbit is working.
Oh, hello you two. What are you doing back here?
We went to the toilet, but we can't remember which screen we were in.
Well, this is where I show the films, but it's definitely not where you watch them. But don't worry, we can look together. Did your movie have dinosaurs?
George would love that movie, but it wasn't what we were watching.
Was it this silly one?
No! Oh, what's behind that door?
No, that's where we keep the popcorn.
Whoops, sorry.
Don't worry, happens all the time.
That sounds like our movie. Quick, Daddy. Thank you, Miss Rabbit.
What took you so long?
We, stopped to get popcorn.
Peppa loves watching adventure movies with her family. But Peppa really loves having adventures with Daddy Pig too.
Back soon, Mummy.
Bye.
Daddy Pig has to pick something up from work, so Peppa and George have come with him to his office.
Sorry, Mr. Rabbit. Phew.
George really likes all the buttons in the lift.
Whoa.
Oh.
Oh dear, all that button pushing has broken the lift.
Whoopsie, George.
Don't worry, George. I'm a bit of an expert at lifts, you know.
The buttons in the lift aren't working.
Hello, welcome to the lift.
Is this lift magic?
No, it's voice activated, which means we just have to tell it where to go. Much easier.
Oh.
Hello, lift. We would like to go to my office, please.
The lift is working again.
Yay!
Floor 2, Office of Bees.
But it hasn't taken them to Daddy Pig's office.
No, not Office of Bees. Office, please.
Floor 6, Office Cheese.
I love cheese.
I said office.
Floor 16, a fish.
Silly magic lift.
The lift doesn't seem to understand Daddy Pig's voice.
I'll try. Can we go to Daddy's job?
Now arriving at the top.
Not the top. Daddy's job, please.
Peppa and her family keep trying to get to Daddy Pig's office, but the magic lift takes them to the wrong floors.
Oi!
And spooky floors.
Oh, hello.
And even party floors. But none of them are the right floor until...
My office.
Hooray!
Hello, Mummy Pig. We just had a little trouble with the lift. Be there soon.
Peppa and George really love the magic lift. But Daddy Pig much prefers to take the stairs. Today, Peppa and her playgroup are at a juice factory. They're learning how juice is made.
And this is the fruit squeezer. It squeezes all the juice out of the oranges.
Can I try squeezing oranges, Miss Rabbit?
Of course, you can all try.
Hooray!
Everyone is having lots of fun squeezing the oranges. But it is very hard work.
My hands are tired.
That's okay, because next up, we have the juice stomper.
The stomper has big boots to stomp out all the juice from the strawberries.
Ooh, can I try stomping, Miss Rabbit?
Yes, everyone can try.
Hooray!
Pop these boots on and stomp away.
It's just like jumping in muddy puddle.
Well done, everyone. Now follow me. This is where the juice is put into cartons. We have to match the flavour with the picture on the cartons. What flavour is this one?
It's red. Is it strawberry?
Well done, Mandy. Press the red button to fill it up. And how about this one?
It's green. So, apple.
Spot on, Susie. And this one?
It's lots of colours.
Well done, Peppa. You've created a brand new type of juice.
It's rainbow juice.
Everyone thinks the rainbow juice looks very delicious indeed.
This is the tasting room. It's where we make sure all the juice tastes scrum-diddly-umptious.
Ooh!
But to make it fun, you have to guess what flavour each juice is.
Peppa and her playgroup love tasting juice.
Ah, yum! This is orange juice.
This is apple juice.
This tastes like all the juices at once.
That's because it's your special rainbow juice.
Yum, yum, yum.
Peppa loves learning about juice, and Peppa really loves her delicious rainbow juice. Today, Peppa and her family are visiting the cake competition at the town fete.
I can't wait to see the cakes. Huh? Oh, why is this shoe here? Oh,
That's not a shoe. It's my cake, Peppa. This is a competition for cakes that look like other things.
but if the cakes don't look like cakes, people will get confused.
That's the idea. Do you want to help me judge which is the best cake that doesn't look like a cake?
Yes, please. Ooh.
Peppa is trying to trick Daddy Pig with a cake that looks like a phone.
Ring,
Oh.
ring,
Um,
ring.
Hello? Oh, it's a cake. Very funny, you two.
Ooh. Would you like a cup of tea, Mummy?
Thank you very much. Oh, this tea is made of cake.
The cake tricked you.
Congratulations on growing the biggest carrot.
Eh?
I'm afraid this prize is for the biggest carrot, not the biggest carrot cake.
Ooh.
But it is a very good big carroty cake.
It's time for Mr. Bull to give out the award for the best cake that doesn't look like cake.
The best cake that doesn't look like a cake is this one.
Oh! Actually, that's just my lunch.
Oh, yes, of course. Well, in that case, the winner is this one. It's very realistic.
No!
Oh,
That's just George.
oh, even I'm falling for them now. Then the winner is this one.
Mummy Sheep has won first place.
You see, it looks like a chocolate cake, but actually, it's strawberry.
Oh!
Peppa, can you pass us the trophy?
Yes, here is your trophy. Huh?
The trophy is made of cake too. And now everyone can have a slice. Everybody loves eating cakes that look like other things.
Now, where did I put my hat? Aha!
And everybody loves getting tricked by them too.